Hello, this is a Minecraft recording, and text wrangler recording, and I'm just going to show you the basics of HTML. So the reason I said text wrangler or not HTML in the first place was because you'll need to download Text Wrangler. I think it's free, but you don't have to download Text Wrangler. You can use any computer, like maybe TextEdit or something like that, but I'm just using this. So basically, first you want a HTML tag, then go down a few, and HTML, but here you have to put this, just a little forward dash thingy. Then we want head, then head. Basically, if you're doing these, well, actually, if you're doing any tag, you've always got to have one without it and one with it. So, one sec. Sorry about that. So you also want a body. So a bit like a human. So if you think of like, obviously not HTML bits, but then you've got the head, then the head ends, then you've got the body, and the body ends. So also what you can do in head is, right, let's first save it and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, another thing, you've got to save it as .html, or you can save it as .htm. But you have to save it as one of them, or I don't think it'll work. I'm just going to save mine as intro. You can save yours as whatever you want. Yeah, so save. Then I'm going to go to Safari, and I'm going to open up intro. And here's intro.html. Basically all it is this. And that's his intro HTML up there. A bit boring. But oops. Here we go. And all this will go blue once you've saved it as .htm or .html. So what you can do is head is title, and then rather title tag. Then in here I'm just going to do intro, but you can do like whatever your title is. And so after you've done that, you're going to save it or it won't work. Get rid of that. Basically, this is with Safari, by the way. You reload the page, and here it says intro.html, and now it says intro. So if I did that and save it and reload the page, at the top it will just be lots of different exclamation marks. So save it. Another thing you can do in head is style. You've got to be very careful with this, because if you don't do your closing style tag, it probably won't work. The whole thing under here won't work. So H1 is like a title, so I don't know really what it means, but I think you could have a headline maybe. Don't know. So then I'm going to do text align, and it should come up in blue. And then you want a colon, and you can either have right or left or centre. I'm just going to go with centre. Then you want a semicolon and a, okay, and you've got to make sure it's these kind of brackets. So now, in the body you want to do this. You do H1 tag, and another H1 tag, but closing one this time. Then, once again, I'm going to do intro, but you can do whatever you want. It will work whatever you type. Then save it. Oops. I'll reload the page, and it'll say intro, quite big, like that. And then, if we change all this to H2, it will get a little bit smaller, like not a lot smaller, but it'll go to that. Then H3, H3, H3. Then you'll have a little bit smaller, so like that. Another thing you can do up here is P, which I think means paragraph, or something like that. Then P, this is introduction. HTML. Closing HTML tag. Like so. HTML tag. P tag actually. Save it. Then what have I done there? That's gone back there because here I've changed it to P and that's H3. So let me just copy it, then paste it. Oops, gonna take some time. It's not usually like this. I think it's just because I'm recording. Come on. What the frick? What did I do? It's V, isn't it? Not P. So it'll go back if I do this. So it'll go back there. Because this P means it's for the P tag, and this other P means it's for, no, this H3 means it's for the H3. So, and this text basically be like this. And if you want, this is probably the last thing I'm showing in this video, if you want another line, I'm just going to save it, don't forget. Then, if you want that on a separate line to that, what you can do is put it in the middle, and then BR you want to do, I think that means break, and then save it again, and ta-da, it'll go down here. Well, I think that's all I'm going to show you in this video. I'll do another video shortly showing you how to do some more HTML. Hope this works for you.